Hello, hi, my name is O'Neill Lindo. I am a student in the Business 700 Capstone, and I am giving a presentation on finishing Touch Men's Grooming Lounge for my Capstone project. Hi, thank you for joining me for this presentation. Who we are. A Finishing Touch is a highly successful personal grooming and image consulting business. What we do is we help our client maintain look and feel that's tailored to their personal and professional lifestyle. This is done with a step by step styling technique that we have perfected to give the clients the results they strive for. This is done in a lounge type environment filled with divine conversations where they're able to relax, unwind, and connect with other professionals. The, they have suggested that the results that they're getting, they cannot get anywhere else. The vision, who is Finishing Touch? Finishing Touch's vision is to create a world of well groomed men, to help men live a life that is better and better, to help them strive for their goals and what they would like to accomplish in life. The mission, Finishing Touch's mission is to strive for 100% satisfaction with their client's service, the environment that they're in, and the staff that they work with, all within a spa like atmosphere. The project being proposed is the opportunity to launch a new venture into the high end men's grooming and image consulting industry with a scalable business model using a membership economy. The plan is to establish two locations in Connecticut within the next 3 to 5 years, one in New Haven County and the other in Fairfield County, Connecticut. In the New Haven County, we see where the population is just over 800,054. Median age is 40, just over 40, and household income 69,000. In the third location, that will be Fairfield County, as Finishing Touch has an existing location in Waterbury, would be that of the median age is 40, the population is 943,000, and the income is significantly higher than in the New Haven County at 97,000. We see where this environment is prime for a men's grooming lounge to thrive. We see here where women spend an average of $313 a month for self care, personal grooming. Men spend $244 a month, 29,000 a year. Women 37,000 a year, just over. And Finishing Touch is offering membership package from 99,000 to 249,000. This will create a niche market for Finishing Touch, which will give it a competitive advantage in this lucrative market space. As men's grooming has been growing over the years, and men have been taking care of themselves in concern with their skin, hair, and hygiene, and what have you. We see here where there needs to be smart objectives and smart goals, and Finishing Touch has these focused on employees. For any good business to be successful, your employees need to be successful. So Finishing Touch is engaged in smart objectives to properly train and teach their staff of how to give 100% at all times. Second smart goal is customer service, keeping track of the clients, seeing what they're doing, constant customer feedback, and training their employees to give great quality service. Products, Finishing Touch wants to go with a personal brand, to have their own brand of products in the organic area. Performance, Finishing Touch uses key performance indicators to track how their employees are doing and meeting their goals, and meeting their numbers, meeting their financial objectives. And community responsibility is a goal. Finishing Touch is involved in annual back to school drives and charitable functions to engage in their community responsibility. We have done a SWOT analysis on Finishing Touch. We see where their strength is the membership package, their web presence, longevity, over 17 years of experience, the brand recognition or reputation, the customer service, high visibility. They're in one of the major intersections in the city, in a very busy plaza. Systems automation, they have an app, software that stays engaged constantly with their clients. Their clients are able to see their schedules and interact with them at any time. Expansion for opportunities for the two additional locations, opportunities to engage in heavy social media and marketing, opportunities to do B2B alliances with high-end men clothing stores, drop off and pick up dry cleaning services to your door, and the commitment to establish these strategic alliances with large business to offer discounted products and services to the employees of these companies. The weakness here we see where there's not enough staffing. The clientele is large and is growing to be a bit overwhelmed. Henceforth, the capacity to grow, and this is causing some sort of breakdown in the process, being disorganized as timeframes are being extended. Threats to competition in the line of business, negative publicity as their Google reviews are high. The new entry are copycats copying the system, and the cost of hiring new staff are threats. We see the two sheets here, one for 76,000 working capital, one for 178,400. You see to my left, this is the New Haven County. To my right, this is the Fairfield County. In the column to my left, you see where there are one-off for build outs and one-off expenses, and the column to my right, you see the monthly expenses in a separate column there. Here we have the 3-year sales projection and growth. We see in the top left column, we see the price of the services going down in the column there. We see the services offer in the top section. In the middle section, the products are offered. In the lower section, membership are offered. We see the number of services that they're doing and products that they're doing in the quantity column. The annual monthly column, you see the revenues there. These are monthly. The gross sales for each of the 3 departments, the membership, the products, and the service sales of 21,244.50, and the annual revenues is 254,934, and you see the 3-year projection at a 5% growth rate. In order to achieve these objectives, Finishing Touch has to engage in an execution plan through project mobilization to get this project started and off the ground, a work implementation plan, step by step, a company audit to find out whether the ratios, what are the breakdowns, how the company is doing, a break-even analysis to establish the health of the company, a fully finished operational business plan, leading into a franchise plan by the end of 2026, reports and communication, and project closeout with the 2 build-outs of the stores, and so forth. We see MBA concentration, where leadership and change management has been pivotal in helping me in breaking down the steps of the plan for Finishing Touch. I tend to be a visionary have a visionary style leadership, and there tend to be gray areas, and this class has taught me how to break down the step-by-steps doing an implementation plan. Project management has taught me as well, breaking down the steps, the scope of the work, who's doing what, creating a budget, and assessing the risk. Quantitative analysis for decision making has taught me how to read the financial statements properly, the income statements, analyze them, break down the ratios as well, do a quick ratio, break even analysis, straight line analysis, and quick ratios and so forth. Business analytics has taught me how to use the software and our data warehouse to properly store company information, how to retrieve that information with our clients, how to monitor it, how to read it, to study the business, to make business decisions and plans. Henceforth, how we utilize the software for our system automation. I want to say thank you for taking the time to see my video. I want to wish you all the best in your business and your future endeavors. I fear all is well. I want to thank the professor. I want to thank all those who have helped me to this course. Take care. Blessings.